any serious recycling operation.
Welcome to Raw Forestry. No safety rails, no clean narratives, no mercy. This is where steel meets steel, where torque replaces patience, and machines finish what nature started. Steel clashes with steel in a brutal contest of power and precision. The BMW never had a chance. It's torn apart piece by piece under the grip of a mechanical giant. This isn't random destruction. This is industrial force applied with intent, an engineered process in full motion. Precision takes over next. A chipper designed to set new standards pushes high output with clean ejection and disciplined performance. Material goes in chaotic. What comes out is controlled, uniform, predictable. That's not luck. That's design doing its job. Then comes a machine that isn't just working, it's flexing. 75 horsepower driving a massive rotor, tearing through bulky material like it's soft butter. Single shaft shredding at its finest. No drama, just steady, relentless torque. High torque, low speed shredding shows its true advantage here. Dual shafts rotate with authority, generating crushing force strong enough to process entire car bodies, engine blocks included. Diesel power keeps it moving without pause. This isn't a demo unit, it's a workhorse built for operations that don't stop. Say goodbye to the electric ride. The red sedan makes its final appearance, flattened beneath an unforgiving claw. There's no escape once the steel closes in. Durability matters, and here's proof. Shredder knives running for over 2,000 hours without a single resharpen. Visible wear, sure, but throughput stays consistent. That's what quality materials and serious engineering look like after real-world abuse. Now the demolition steps up again. Twin shafts counter-rotate, grabbing, pulling, tearing. What makes this system smart isn't just how it destroys, it's what happens after. Integrated magnets automatically extract ferrous metal, keeping valuable steel from being lost. Destruction followed by recovery. That's efficiency. Out in the woods, practicality takes over. A mobile chipper produces G30 wood chips right where the trees fall. Branches, whole logs chipped on site, no hauling heavy timber. No wasted transport, fuel straight from the forest. Simple, powerful, smart. Old railroad ties roll in next. They carried weight, time, and countless journeys. Now they meet their end in a rhythmic dance of destruction. Plates, bolts, everything gives way. A final stop after a long service life. Attachments matter too. A heavy-duty breaker designed to pair seamlessly with large excavators maximizes efficiency without reinventing the workflow. The right tool, matched correctly, changes everything. If cars had emotions, this would be pure horror. A shredder waits patiently, then devours metal like it's an all-you-can-eat buffet. This machine doesn't nibble, it consumes. Firewood processing goes full beast mode. Logs roll in, sliced, split, stacked with machine-level precision. Bark stripped clean. Chaos becomes order in seconds. Fast, neat, market-ready. Industrial shredding reaches its peak. Torque doesn't fade. Nothing escapes, nothing survives. This is what peak shredding performance actually looks like when machines are built to dominate, not impress. In industrial yards overseas, Italian-built twin-shaft shredders handle light ferrous and non-ferrous scrap. Hooked cutters pull material in, shear it down, and produce consistent particle size. Not flashy, just reliable. Twin-shaft systems reduce everything from compact discs to mixed waste into fine fragments. Efficient, brutal, controlled. Plastic waste meets its match next. Crates fed in, uniform granules out. Minimal vibration, solid construction. Another example of controlled reduction doing exactly what it's meant to do. Mountains of waste don't intimidate these machines. Spinning drums packed with teeth wait inside steel housings. One grab, one drop. Gone in seconds. Small scrap compactors are unsettling in their own way. Drop something in, hydraulics close, pressure builds, metal groans, then gives. How flat will it go? There's only one answer. Then speed takes the spotlight. A chipper inhales branches so fast you barely register what went in. Blink and it's gone. High-octane efficiency at full throttle. Purely satisfying to watch. Back then, stumps meant axes, sweat, and time. Now machines tear through them like paper. It's humbling, it's impressive, and it proves how much the game has changed. Two cars enter, none come out. In seconds, they're reduced to twisted scrap. This isn't just demolition, it's total annihilation. Designed for power and precision, hybrid systems shred material with ease, closing the loop between force, control, and efficiency. This is raw forestry. No polish, no sympathy, just machines doing the work the hard way, fast, loud, and unapologetically brutal. Thẳng, tề chỉnh tiếp.